Hi, Todd Belt Insurance Agency. Each month our agency is going to be discussing a topic regarding home auto policies, and we're going to start off with auto insurance, talking about things that might be of interest to you. And we're going to start off with something really simple here and discuss, what are the minimum requirements to drive a vehicle on the roads in the state of Ohio. Now, believe it or not, 10% of the people still do not carry car insurance in the state of Ohio, but it is a requirement. So, what are the laws and what's required when you purchase insurance in Ohio? First topic we're going to discuss here real quick, bodily injury. If you're at fault and injure someone, the minimum requirement is $25,000. That could be you've injured them. They have loss of wages, pain and suffering. Those are the types of things that coverage is going to pay. And what's the total payout that the policy could pay would be $50,000. So $25,000 per person for a total of $50,000. The second part to the state minimum coverage in the state of Ohio is property damage, and it's kind of what it sounds like. The most frequent part of this coverage that we pay would be running into someone else's car. It could be damage in their property, like running through a fence, a shed, anything like that is property damage would be covered under the property damage part of the policy. So if we max out this policy, we would hit the per occurrence total of 50, property damage of 25,000. This policy could pay a max of $75,000. That's a lot of money. So, with our first podcast here, I hope you learned a little bit about what the state requirements are for the state of Ohio, and pull your policy out, look, and if you have any questions on your coverages, please let us know. We will be back to talk about some of the other coverages that aren't required. MedPay, uninsured motorist, the full coverage part of the insurance policy. Thank you.
Stay tuned for our next video on why state minimum limits are too low.